And what I found was that people wanted more. They were not patient enough. They didn't, as much as they wanted slower, sustainable results, I'll say, they were not satisfied. Hey, what's going on? So I was just thinking that I know a lot of people who may feel like fast results is unhealthy or unsustainable. And in some cases, I may say that's true. And it's interesting because a couple years ago, well, I'm certified by Precision Nutrition, which is the #1 nutrition coaching program in the world. And I had access to their course, and their course is amazing. It's a 12-month course, and it literally is a way to make this a lifestyle by learning these specific habits in a certain order or whatever. And it really is an amazing program. And when I purchased the program and I released it to my clients, and what I found was the idea is good. People want that lifestyle, right, change. And what I found was that people wanted more. They were not patient enough. They didn't, as much as they wanted slower, sustainable results, I'll say, they were not satisfied with the small kind of progress that they were making. So it sucks because that program is super amazing. So if you are open-minded, I went through the program, I would highly recommend it because it will teach you a lot of lifestyle skills and habits that you will need to be able to maintain this kind of lifestyle, fitness lifestyle, right? Or a healthy lifestyle. So from there, I decided like, hey, people don't want this as much as it's such a great idea. At least for the people I was working with, I feel like people want to see results, because if they don't see results, then what happens? They start getting discouraged. They start going back to old habits, and sooner or later they quit. Because if you're putting in all this effort and not getting something out of it, then you're gonna give up. You're gonna quit eventually. So is fast results bad or unhealthy? It could be, because it depends what you're doing, right? Well, my clients, you should be seeing results every day. Like, at least every other day, because what happens? You do something, the next day we can see the result of it, okay? Maybe let's say we give it another day or two of you doing a specific plan, right? If you stop seeing results, then you need to troubleshoot it to keep working, because if you think you're gonna do the same thing and you're not seeing results in week 1, if you think you're gonna see results in week 2 and you're doing the exact same thing, it's not gonna work, okay? So that's why I don't wait a whole month or 2 months to change my clients' programs or my own thing. As soon as I see my progress stall, I make sure that I'm doing everything 100%. If not, I go back and start doing everything 100%. And then if that still doesn't work, then I need to tweak something, okay? So fast results are not bad. I think fast results are almost necessary to keep people motivated, because when you get results, when you step on the scale every morning, when you look at yourself in the mirror, when you're seeing these changes constantly, you're going to be motivated to keep doing those things. So then the whole process becomes easier, because you're like, wow, I'm actually getting results. I want to do more. I want to see how much more I can go. But compared to the opposite, where if you're not seeing results and you're still putting in effort, maybe on the wrong things, then you're going to be discouraged and you're going to give up. And this is what I see over and over and over again. And it's not necessary. It's just about knowing how to, what drives weight loss or muscle gain, whatever your goal is. And I say it on all my videos. It's easy. It's simple. I won't say it's easy. It's simple. So you just follow that and you will see results. There's no way around it. All these other little things, keto, paleo, Atkins, low carb, that they don't work, and they do work. But the reason why they work is because of the underlying principles of what drives weight loss, which is you need to burn more calories than you consume and you will lose weight, or you need to burn less calories than you consume and you will gain weight. All right, that's it. Now, obviously, everybody's lives they have a lot of things going on. They're juggling a lot of things. So then it's hard to manage all of these things, and there's so much information, and you kind of go like, oh, well, this is saying this is saying that, I don't know what to do. And then you get discouraged. So anyway, I just wanted to say that. So fast results, I don't believe are unhealthy if you do it the right way. And if you want to know how to do that, you can download my free ebook, The Great Body Manifesto, where I go over exactly that, or just watch my other videos. I go over it too. Hope that helps you. Let's get results.